what is up, traders? Hold on a sec. I'm gonna try to get the video. Alright. 1 second. Alright, I think. Alrighty. Alright, what is up, MVP investors? So in today's video, we are going to be going over my swing trades for this week and what I am looking for and looking at. Alright, so my first one here is UGAZ, UGAZ, and I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys here in a second. So as you see, there is some support at 51, 50-ish, and so we are looking for a confirmation here. Let me add my support and resistance lines really fast. So we're going to add our support and our resistance, maybe right around here. Alright, and so this is UGAZ, and as you see here, it has some support at 51, 50-ish, and some resistance at 81, $80-ish. So this would be around a 40% winner if it bounces off the support and pushes back all the way up to the resistance. So we are going to be looking for a confirmation, and we are going to be setting some alerts at around 56 just to get that confirmation of the upward trend, and then we are going to be having our buyout at around 80, 81-ish dollars, because that is where it has had some previous resistance, and it may even continue to push forward, but it also may continue to fall down a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go to $49 or $48 before it pushes back up all the way up, because as you see here, it is on a downward trend. So if you draw the lines freehand, I don't know what I accidentally clicked. So if we draw these lines here, whoops, I thought I clicked it. Okay, and sometimes it's hard to so as you see here, it may continue to fall a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. But if it bounces, this would be around, let me see, 60% winner, but we would start taking profits early like normal. And because you can always buy back in if you guys don't want to hold it for that long, or if you don't feel comfortable with that. So that is that. Let me check my stream health here to make sure everything is good. Alrighty. Alright, hold on a sec. Let me get Instagram set up here. I kind of forgot about it. So we're gonna get Instagram live going. Kind of, but it's alright, it's all good. MVP investor. Live, start live. Alright, let me get everything all loaded. Alright, so as you see here, we have UGAZ, and this would be one of my top ones to keep an eye on because it has bounced in the past, and this would be a good one for higher profits. I would just make sure that you guys see the confirmation at around 56 so we're gonna set an alert at, let's go 56 flat. just so this has some confirmation. And once I see confirmation, I will buy in, because that means there's an upward pattern and an upward trend on the stock here. Alright, so the next one is JNUG, JNUG, and this one, I previously called this one out on Snapchat and Twitter. So if you guys got in early, that is great. If not, there is still some room for profit taking. So we are going to be drawing our support and resistance lines here in a sec. Sometimes it doesn't click. Alright, hold on. Let's just do this, see if it's a little easier. There we go. Okay. And so we got that one off. We got our support. Let me zoom back out. And so it looks like there is having some resistance here, but our resistance would be around $16, I would say. Okay. So what I would look at in JNUG is, sometimes alright. So as you see here, it is on a downward trend, but this also has a upward trend, or it's really choppy, as you can see, but it does overall have around the same upward. It's really consistent and even, but it is choppy, so that's what I would be careful of. But so some of my friends have put shorts on at $16, so they are taking profits. But right now, I would keep an eye on if it hits the $12 support, to make sure you guys have confirmation at around $12.50 or even $13 before jumping back in. But if you shorted it at all the way from 16 to 12, you would be up. It would be around a 25% winner here. Well, I don't know why it keeps doing that. But okay, so that is my second stock I'm calling out, is JNUG. Keep an eye on it, and if it breaks over the resistance lines, there will be a lot of momentum and no resistance until up here, until $18. So keep an eye on that and understand that there is profit taking in this stock, and whether it hits the 12 or it pushes back up to beat the previous resistance, there is some money in this. The next one is HTZ. As you see here, there is some support. Whoa, this isn't what I wanted, but there is some support at around $20 or 17, excuse me, or yeah, 17.50 or 17.65. But I would say the support and the resistance would be around 24. So this is already on an upward pattern, so I would say this is almost at confirmation. I would wait until it gets a little more, maybe to $20 or to 1960, or yeah, 1960 or 1970, just to make sure it has confirmation of an upward trend and that it is pushing its way up. And if you guys jump in at, let's say, 1950, man, I always keep getting this all messed up. But alright, if we jump in, this would be around 22% gainer, if not more. So keep an eye on this one. I would set an alert here for, let's go, 1950. Alert. Alright, create. So this is just saying that I am going to be alerted when the confirmation is up and it is pushing back to the previous resistance lines. But so this has really had a lot of momentum going forward, and it's right now it's consolidating, so it may continue to go beyond the high, and then it will push further. But just to keep an eye on it, I would say to set your confirmation and look for it to push up. So this is just a really basic trade here. I'm gonna take probably within the next couple of days, and the stock market isn't open tomorrow. So just so you guys know, but so let me look at you guys again. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm sure it has a downward trend, but that's completely fine as long as we find the confirmation. And like I said, I put my confirmation at 56-ish, and so when I starts pushing back up, I will get notified right here, and then it will push back up all the way up here to about right here, because it is on a downward trend, so I don't think it will beat the previous high of the old gap, the gap up to 107, but it may, so you never know. And I just want you guys to understand that that it could continue to fall down. So don't jump in it right now. Wait until you have the confirmation before buying in. Same with all of these. Wait until this either breaks over 16 until it starts beating new highs, or wait until this continues to bounce at $12. And then to summarize this one I would also continue to wait for the confirmation, and I would once it gets your confirmation, I would start buying in and then take profits along the way, because you can always buy back into stocks when you take your profits. Take your profits early if you don't feel comfortable with your trades. But so those are my tips, and those are my 3 stocks I am keeping an eye on. So it's UGAS, JNUG, and HTZ. So that's going to be it though for me today. Have a good one, everybody. Have a good day off tomorrow trading, and just keep an eye on these stocks in the following weeks and couple days here. But that's going to be it though for me today. Peace out, everyone. Thanks for watching. Also, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think of my videos. And if you guys subscribe, I am doing a cryptocurrency giveaway. So you guys could win some money. You guys could win some Bitcoin, some Tron, some Ripple, some Litecoin, some just everything, all kinds of good stuff. What else do I got going on? Oh yeah, if you guys want free stocks, make sure you guys hit the link in the description. I have a referral program with Robinhood, so if you guys hit that link, you sign up with them, you guys get a free stock, and you guys could win stocks such as Ford, Apple, Tesla, Sprint, all kinds of good stuff. So it's pretty much free money. That's what I'm saying. So that's going to be it though for me today. Have a good night, everybody. Peace out. Have a good day off again tomorrow. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.